when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have smoked turkey wings right here. I done chopped up, pat dry. We also have our injector. So the season we're using, this is our herb right here. We have rosemary, basil, and a chicken bouillon cube, chili powder, applewood rub, and some Italian seasoning. So we'll go ahead and throw these turkey wings inside this water right here. We're gonna let it boil for like a good 20-25 minutes. We'll also throw our herb and seasoning. Alright, so that's how we're looking right there. We'll go ahead and let this boil until I'm satisfied, like 25-30 minutes. Okay, so here we go, 35 minutes later. Look at that nice, delicious fit together. So that's from the smoked turkey wings. That seasoning. So that's that good right there. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to go ahead and fill this bad boy up, and we're going to inject it. Well, I'm going to inject it. I can't do it on camera because I only have 2 hands. And once I inject it, I'm going to cut some of this meat off of this bone because it's, you know, it's real thick. And then we're going to start frying. Okay, so that's how we're looking. I add a couple cucumbers. We'll give it a nice little season, some applewood rub. Italian. And some mustard, yellow mustard. So we'll go ahead and coat it real good with this mustard. Okay, so that's how we're looking right there. We have our all-purpose flour. Only seasoning we're gonna use is some Italian seasoning. We'll give about 2 tablespoons. And then some applewood rub. We'll give about 2.5 tablespoons. Let's mix it in. Okay, so here we go right here. Nice and coated. I let it sit in the freezer for 20 minutes with the flour on so that flour could just stick. It's time to fry. Boom. Okay, so here we go right here. Now it's time to get this good food on a nice plate. Okay, made it happen right here in this good kitchen. We have our mustard fried, smoked turkey wings, fried cucumbers, and cream mashed potatoes. I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. Look at us. Made it happen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.